Paano ko ba ipapahayag ng maayos to? Dapat maayos ang pagkakasulat ng resume ko.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Ay, Maria, isusulat ako ng national. Kailangan kasi ng bagong trabaho.
Maganda naman. Pero mas magiging epektibo kung mas marami ang internet na nakakasulat. Pero ganito.
Ganun ba? Next. Good morning, sir.
Come in. See?
Thank you, sir.
So let's start with your experiences. Can you tell me about your previous job?
Yes, I work as a marketing assistant at Casey Company. My role involved creating marketing materials, managing social media accounts, and analyzing market plans. I ensured that our campaigns were aligned with our brand's message.
That's impressive. How do you handle working with a team with different cultural backgrounds?
In my previous job, I collaborated with colleagues from various countries. Effective communication is the key. I always made sure to listen carefully, respect cultural differences, and clarify any misunderstanding promptly.
This is Juan Fernandez, the one that I mentioned you before. Juan, this is Mr. Lee, a manager from a tech company.
In U2, Maria mentioned that you're looking for opportunities in digital marketing. Tell me more about your experience.
Yes, I have years of experience in digital marketing, specializing in SEO, content creation. I have studied that successful pages that increase our website traffic by 40%. Maria, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. Nagkaroon ako ng magandang impresyon kay Mr. Santos sa panayam at nakilala ko pa si Mr. Lisa networking event.
Walang anuman, Juan. Ngayon alam mo na kung gaano kahalaga ang malinaw at epektibong komunikasyon. Kaya patuloy ka lang sa pag-practice at tiyak, matatanggap ka rin sa mga job interviews mo.
Oo nga, talagang malaking tulong ang Mika sa paghanap ng trabaho. Maraming salamat ulit, Maria. Hello? Sino po sila?
Is this Mr. Juan Fernandez?
Yes, speaking.
Congratulations, Mr. Fernandez. You are hired.